Yeah.
Take the rims out the way she twist, she sucking like she trying to take the skin out. Put them in the scracker, but it's getting swap the skins out. Jump off this tree, I make a chopper, knock the limb out. $1,000 after every roll, that's what they here for. All I do is fuck her, I done turn her to a nympho. Effing, blackout, Gen 5, Gen 4. Tripping for the family, I don't care about my kinfolk. I took the guys to LA for my business, nigga. I watch my friends, I can handle my enemies. Fuck, I look like having smoke with my mini-me's. Niggas gotta be joking, you kidding me? Y'all real kids, been small time ballin', now it's real big. I was standing in the bleachers on some chin shit. Never been a hater, I don't care enough. This shit ain't gon' stop until they bury us.
Fresh off the jet, I end up in the project. See something I like, no police on the copy. Don't follow my page, I post racks every day for and bitch. Counting my baggage. Heard of this bitch in her righteous. Lambo, Ferrari, Bentleys, I got arches. I took the private jet up in the water. 4 p.m. Saturday, I smoke like a roster. Churches with me, something suspicious.
There you go, drop it.
Yeah. Go. Balls out, balls out. Everybody ready to practice? Coming out. Yeah. Go. Set. Go. Set. Go.
Giovanni Alford.
Set. Go. Set. Go. Keep working, boy. Keep working, boy. Good job. Set.
Yeah, bro.
Who? More. In a minute, take me out.
All right.
Sorry. My bad, boy. Set. Go. It ain't your turn yet. You gotta pay attention.
What we working on? I just want to see who want to be the man. Everybody gonna line up. Who's going to stand? Let's go at it. I just want to see who's going to drive and go. It's going to work today. That side, green side, take a step to your left. Take a step to your left. Go down, Mari. Go down, go down, go down, go down. Other side of the speed. Go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. Go back that way, go back that way, go back that way. Spread out. What's all spread out? Go back, go back. Go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. Let's go, ready, ready. Yeah. He's driving. G-line, hit the me.
Hey, who you got?
Defense, get the me. He gonna rotate. Defense in the green. To the slip. Let's start to the left. Go over, sir. Go over, sir. Zion, go over, go over.
I'm a DN.
To the left. I don't care. You play with. It's a drill right now. No, yeah, go outside. This side, go outside. Go over. This side, go inside that way. Let's go. Ready, ready. Get down, O-line. Step to the man and drive through his defense. Get to me. Bring him up. This side is on offense, that side is on defense. Y'all get to me, and offense stop.
All right? Don't let nobody go before you. Put your hand out there and walk into that gate, bro.
Y'all on offense. Wait, go back on that side, dude. Go back on that side, bro. Stop moving.
Yeah.
We're ready. We're ready. Get down. Get down. Good. Go! Hey, what was that? What was that? Why? Start, you starting off lazy. Let's go. On the line, let's go. If you lose, you got 20 up down. We gonna work today. Y'all gonna work today. Let's go. Ready. Go to him. You got a game this week. Let's go. Ready.
Whole game.
Set.
Go to him, Pepe.
Go. Come here.
Dry your feet, Pepe. Dry your feet. Dry your feet. That's better, Pepe. That's better.
Again, let's go. Let's go. Ready.
Way to go, Ron! That's what happened when you bullshit!
Shout by Kase.
Yo.
Hey, last one, make it good. Last one, make it good. Last one.
Make it good.
What is it?
10 and back. 10 and back. 10 and back.
Send him back.
Everybody on the white.
All that, you're not an offensive lineman. You're a motherfucking warrior. Get down there and act like it. Let's go.
Go.
Thank you. Why is this so hard? Why is this so hard?
Keep going. Keep going.
Let's go.
Keep going.
That's not hard. How about every play? Let's go.
Again.
This is a standard. We do not play with no intensity. We are offensive warriors. I ain't even call y'all linemen no more.
Hey, Eli, stand up real quick. Hey, it's a run. We run blocking right now. So you going out there, you creating the lane. Get to me. You need to go through his body. Pepe, don't let him come to me. Ready. Go. Keep going. Move your feet.
Yo, you wanna know how you able to do all this? You move and turning, you ain't locking in. Once you do everything good, you here, come on, let's go. Go. Once I get here, I need to get in here and move my feet.
Pepe.
I need to move my feet. I need to move my feet and get them out here.
Pepe, come in.
We gotta run the ball.
Let's go. One more
We gotta
time.
run the ball.
Ready. Marvin, get ready. You going next. Say it. Go. Keep your feet. Keep your base. Keep going.
Hey, don't
See, you
yell.
lose the base. Marvin, go. Let's go. You ain't gonna win no rep like that. Go ahead, Grant.
Don, let's go.
Ready.
Yo, receivers.
Say it.
Let's
Go.
Receivers, running backs, everybody else. Let's go.
Maurice, you gonna get yourself hurt playing that soft. You gonna get yourself hurt playing soft like that. He took you on a free vacation. You didn't even pay for it. You went out of town. Let's go. Ready. Say it. Go. Now you want to go inside? What's the play? Don't try to keep my drill. Go again.
You're going to switch.
Go inside. Now you come inside. Come here. Let's go. Now you got to get to me. You can't play out there. Come in, so you never gonna play out that wide. Let's go. Ready. Go. That's holding. Don't do that. Let's go again. Why your hands got up there? You came out too high. Stay low. Keep your back flat. Your back flat. Ready. Come on. Go over some, Mario. You too far outside. You never stand out there. Ready. Go. You don't want to play today. Go. Break. Again. That was good, D. But look, pick one shoulder. If it's gonna be his shoulder, pick his shoulder and get through here. What you wanna do? You wanna come through here and get some leg in there. Make him block your back. But guess what happened? That gap is gone now. Now the running back gotta find somewhere else to go. Alright? Ready. Set. Go! Let's go, Shooter. I need you to fly. You gonna be my boss man. I need a boss man.
Drive, Tanner, let's go! Drive, KJ!
Let's go.
Coco, let's go! Mouthpiece in, let's go! Mouthpiece in!
Why you walking out here, bro? You scared?
Here we go. Get the hands inside and drive. Set.
Go!
Yeah, Coco! Yeah, Coco! Yeah, Coco! Yeah, Coco! Yeah, Coco! Draw your feet! Draw your feet! Put your head placed in the bag. Head placed in the bag.
Yo.
Hey, Trey, put your feet. Back up.
Stop waiting for the hit.
Yo, wait, no, hold on, wait. Chop the helmet up, man. What's that? Y'all so bad for each other.
Jason, y'all up.
Like that.
Here.
Trey, you better finish him one.
Hey, your hands went down again.
Feet.
Man, we gonna go work that shit. Draw your feet.
There you go.
Hey, fellas, listen. Both of you niggas play receivers, and we need both of you niggas to block, right? You wanna go on the field? Take your ass that way.
Set. Yes, Hawk. Don't stop, Hawk.
Hey, I like it.
You gotta get inside, Hawk. Let's go. Now finish.
Good job.
Set. Yeah, TJ.
Good job, fella. How y'all clap that shit up?
Back up, Coco.
Both of y'all. Y'all tough guys.
Shoot.
Back up. Y'all too close. Back up. That.
Drop your ass. You a linebacker, man. Take that. There we go. Drop the ass.
Go hit him. Yeah. Go. Now stop swinging. Let's go. Draw your feet. Boo. There you go. Finish it, Coco. He's swinging. Draw your feet. Boo. Try to swing it, Coco. Hey, way to hit him.
6 and 14.
Hustle on.
Good friend. Let's go. Right, buddy.
Hit. Get inside of me, he going down. Get inside, he going down. Get inside of me, going down.
Fight back, man. Let's go. Good job,
Go get it, man.
Hey, one more. Hey, you got a plane?
Yeah, that's what I'm you got your eyes on it, Don't
drop your head, for real.
Back. Right at him. There we go. Finish it.
That's it.
Good job, y'all. Good job.
Nico, let's go. Three-point stand, Back. He waited. Go, D. Stop swinging. Go, D. Stop swinging.
Go.
Move your feet. Just keep moving your feet. Good job, D. Get on the ground. There we go. Good job.
Hey, good work. Hey, everybody, get water. We coming back. Get water. We coming back. Let's go. Hey, that's why I put him there. I put him there for a reason. Let's go. One more week. Get on for get out of the tackle. Come on. Let's go. I put him there for a reason. I put him there for a reason. Set. Let him go, Weezy. Hey, Weezy, let him go. Sit about right here. Let him go. All right. Good work, though. I like it, though. Let's go. Come on. Back on the ball. Set. Let him go, Weezy.
Don't finish.
Hey, yo. That's why I put him there. I put him there to work you on purpose. Come on. Let's go, Weezy. Come on. Hey, I put him there for a reason. Let's go, Dustin. Now.
Get head up. Get back up. Finish.
Let's go.
Finish.
Hey.
Again. Finish. Don't stop. You fall.
Let's go. Left. Tackle.
They're going to turn up for that camera, but drop. Man, he'll go to pick up that ball again. Throw that bit. Take his eye. Take his eye. Go, move, right? What he did on ESPN. Go. Wow. Yeah, I was like that. Take go and throw that bitch, guy. You better catch it. Go. Hey. Pick up. What are you doing?
Hey, focus, man. TJ, go. Right there. All right. I want y'all to just focus on reading the tackle today. All right? Reading run versus pass. The tackle most of the time in this game, he's going to be blocking down. So if y'all see the tackle in front of y'all, especially you two, if y'all see the tackle, go take this step. What do we know? What type of play is it? What type of play is it? Run or pass? If the tackle does this, down, say, hey.
Oh, pass.
What do you think it is?
Pass.
I can't hear y'all, man. It's a run play. If he's coming downhill, it's a run play. So if you're reading the tackle and he takes this step, what are y'all doing? Getting downhill to your what?
Yep.
Your read step, you're reading the tackle. If you see the tackle do this, then do that. If you see the tackle do this, what is it?
Pass.
What do you need to do?
Get in on top pass.
All right, here's what we're going to work on.
Go. Hey, go. Oh. When you see that ball, attack. Go. Ah! Go.
Don't pop right up. Don't pop right up. Stay
You see that ball, attack. Stay here. I can't get no ball. Fake.
Why you keep going there?
No, look. I don't know.
My right leg gonna drive me left. My left leg gonna drive me back right.
What's your hand doing now? Because he beat you.
Your hands on the inside.
Why your hands there? You got that because you're slow.
We're going to do another thing, okay? We're going to start with y'all two, and then we're going to sub it out. Everybody else get over here.
Let's go.
Say it.
Watch
Let's
the
go,
ball.
Jamel.
Watch the ball, big baby.
Let's go, Jamel. Let's go.
Mouthpiece
Say it.
in. Mouthpiece in.
Mouthpiece in.
We
Mouthpiece
live.
in.
We live.
Hey, look. You better foul the ball.
Listen,
You
we
better
done
foul
showed
the
y'all
ball.
hand
Say it.
placement. This is where we going with the hand placement right here.
Go.
Stand low. I guarantee
You gotta dry your feet. You gotta dry your feet. You gotta dry your feet. Power steps, not the tough steps. You gotta dry. Big baby, get down. Say it. Y'all better get ready.
Get up out of here.
Say it. Hey, if he ain't ready, put him down. Say it.
down.
Go. Finish him.
Go. Finish him.
Oh, he
Finish
tied.
him.
Oh, he
Finish him.
running.
Hey, what you stopping for?
Finish him.
He
30.
tied. Take
He
advantage
tied,
of that.
30. He tied 30.
Get down. Let's go.
Take him.
Let's go. Ain't no stopping in this
let's
shit.
go, let's
Bring
go.
it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Big 30.
have your hands on him,
Bring it back. Hurry
Go.
up.
Get down.
Hurry
Let's
up.
go.
Hurry up. Hurry up. Get back set.
Come on, down.
Get back over there. Get set.
Set. Trey, you ready?
Get ready. Hold on, coach. Wait on 30. Set. Just take these two last ones. Finish me. You tied. Go.
Finish
Yeah,
up.
no.
Go. Finish up. Finish up. He land on you.
Let's
He
go.
land on you.
Let's
all
go.
right.
Stand on each other.
Big
All right.
baby, he land on you. Push it out.
Push it.
Let's go.
Go. Go. Work him.
All right,
Work
stop,
him.
stop,
Let's
stop,
go.
Jamel.
That way y'all get water. That way y'all get water.
Why you see the center? You gotta be right by the center.
Everybody stop. If we can't get in the huddle right, we ain't got no time. That's two last game. Hurry up.
Why you saying that?
Hurry up, G. Hurry up.
Sit.
Take him. Take him. Take him. Take him.
Gotta respond. Gotta respond, baby.
Hey, no. Take him.
Hey,
Don't
Eli,
get past
let's go.
him. Take him.
I need you move.
Don't get past him.
Sit.
Take him. Let's go.
Good. Hey, y'all gonna get Eli some work or what?
Every time.
Y'all gonna get Eli some work or what?
Every time.
Split. Split. Take one step back, Eli.
Yeah, back up. Back up. Back up. Back up.
Split.
Right there. Right there.
Get right.
Let's go down. On the whistle.
Sit.
Let's go. Let's
Who
go.
you led?
Down.
Who you led? Who you led? Who you led? Take one step back, Justin. One step back. Ooh. Sit.
Get back there.
Who you led? 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 Good. Give me one more. Give me one more. Give me one more. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Eli.